Mix the sugar and rose water with the lukewarm water, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Divide the mixture into 2 parts. Add some brewed saffron to 1 part and place both mixtures in the freezer for 15 minutes to chill slightly. Boil the Faloodeh noodles in boiling water for 5 minutes. Drain the noodles immediately and place them in ice water. After 15 minutes, drain them again and set them aside to dry. Mix the noodles with the chilled syrups. Serve with cherry syrup and lime juice on top. Enjoy your dessert.